You gaze at your strawberry patch, lush, green, thriving. But where are the berries? Healthy leaves but barely a fruit in sight. It's a classic gardener's dilemma. The problem? Your plants are stuck in growth mode, pouring energy into leaves instead of fruit. This isn't a failure. It's a sign you've been generous, maybe too generous with their care. All that foliage is your plant's way of saying, I'm ready to grow, but not necessarily to produce berries. Our job is to nudge them from leaf making to berry making. Without flowers, there's no fruit, no jam, no summer treats. The fix? A few simple changes in how you feed and manage your plants. Think of your patch as a well-trained athlete, ready but just needs the right coaching. In the next scenes, we'll show you how to turn all that green into a harvest you'll love. Your berryless patch is just a project waiting for a delicious result. Too much nitrogen is the usual suspect behind leafy fruitless strawberries. Nitrogen fuels leaf growth, great for greens, not for berries. To get fruit, shift the balance, reduce nitrogen, boost phosphorus and potassium. Phosphorus helps roots and flowers. Potassium ensures big, sweet berries. Use bone meal for phosphorus and compost or comfrey feed for potassium. These organic options feed your plants and improve soil health. You're not starving the plant, just tipping the scales toward fruit. Apply a balanced organic feed in spring and after the first harvest. Feed for fruit, not just foliage, and your plants will get the message. The right nutrients mean more flowers, more berries, and a tastier harvest. Pruning is your secret weapon for more berries. Strawberries love to send out runners. Snip them off early to keep energy focused on fruit. Removing runners stops the plant from spreading itself thin. After fruiting, trim old leaves back to about 10 centimeters from the crown. This haircut boosts airflow, reduces disease, and encourages healthy new growth. Don't prune too late. Plants need time to regrow leaves before winter. Pruning isn't just tidying up. It's energy management for a bigger harvest. Remove runners during the season. Clear out old leaves after fruiting. These simple steps keep your plants strong and productive year after year. Prune smart, and watch your berry yield soar. The final steps: mulch, water, and timely harvest. Mulch, like straw or chopped leaves, keeps berries clean, deters slugs, and locks in moisture. It also suppresses weeds and keeps soil cool and moist, perfect for shallow strawberry roots. Consistent watering is crucial. Aim for soil that's moist but not soggy, especially during fruiting. Water at the base, not on leaves or fruit, to prevent disease. Harvest berries as soon as they're ripe. This encourages more fruit to form. Don't leave overripe fruit on the plant. It signals the plant to slow down. Check your patch every couple of days for ripe berries. With the right mulch, watering, and regular picking, you'll maximize your harvest. Try these tips, and your leafy patch will soon be bursting with berries. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, literally.